1966 Chevrolet Corvette C2, mid-year Corvette, silver on silver color combo, very unique and rare, convertible, 327 4-speed side pipe car. This is a excellent driver. Love the silver interior. The silver paint and silver interior does appear to be original based on the tag underneath the glove box. Aftermarket wheels. They look really nice with the slotted and drilled rotors underneath them. If you did notice, it does have fender flares. Gives it a pretty aggressive look. This thing fires up really nice and easy, nice and crisp how you want it to be. Listen to that, just purrs. Does have aftermarket electronic power steering, and it works really, really well. Pretty sweet. That's all done on the steering column up under the dash, so you don't see anything under the hood or underneath the car. And it works really well. It's super tight going down the road and works easy in parking lots. All right, there's our electric headlights. Up and down nicely. There's your horn. The lower motor works good. Obviously no clock. Original style radio that does appear to work, which is pretty amazing. And then you have your power antenna. As far as it goes down, but it does go up and down pretty fast. A little crack here in the dash. All pictures of these on the website that are close up. Listen to this exhaust. This 327 is tuned up and running fantastic. 327 engine under the hood. Sounds awesome. Brand new dual master cylinder. That's an upgrade from stock. Have dual reservoirs. Very nice upgrade. Ignition system there. Got a nice heavy duty all aluminum radiator over there, Be Cool branded. This engine, I believe, is period correct. Unfortunately, it looks like it was decked at one point in time, and there's no stamping down here on the front of the engine. The casting number back here, there's a date back in there. C176 is what I'm making out, which would be a 1966 date code block. But don't quote me on that. I'll include a picture on the website so you can decode it for yourself. This is the feed power for the electronic power steering right there, which again works really good. Just super clean under the hood on this beast. Alright, moving on to the paint and body. Again, this is a high quality driver and it drives fantastic, so you should drive it and enjoy it on the road. does have its fair share of imperfections, which I'll show you here. Starting with the front, common area, a couple little cracks on the corner there. You see that a lot. There's a little bit of touch-up work right there, a little touch-up right there. And then you have some bubbles underneath the paint in the gills here on the side. And then you have a little more up here on the top of the fender. A little more here on the cowl. But those appear to be the only spots where that's going on. And then on the fender flare on this side, you have a few cracks in it right there. Awesome looking car. Love these aftermarket wheels. These are US Mag Continental tires, date code 2023. They're in excellent shape, as you would imagine. You can see this gill here is in much better shape. You know, a couple little chips, but nothing crazy. Couple chips there on the top of the deck lid. Love the aftermarket Hurst shifter, the silver interior. Steering wheel's in really nice shape. Gauges show really nice. It's got a fresh oil change. I would just hop in this car and go if I was going to buy it. It is fantastic just the way it is. If you're interested in this 1966 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, 327 4-speed side pipe, please scroll down. We'll have a link in the description. Take you right to our website. There you can find the undercarriage photos, including a picture of the transmission VIN stamp, which does appear to match, as well as the rest of the undercarriage and photo gallery, as well as the asking price. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.